Passive income, earning money while you sleep, sounds like a dream, something reserved for the lucky few or financial experts. But what if I told you that this dream is actually within your reach, no matter your background or experience? Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing your bank balance grow even while you were resting. That's the power of passive income, and it's not as far-fetched as it might seem. Thanks to technology and the digital age, earning money passively is more accessible than ever before. You don't need a finance degree or a huge investment to get started. The internet has opened doors for regular people to build wealth in new ways. From online businesses to digital investments, opportunities are everywhere if you know where to look. Most people think passive income is too complicated or expensive to start, so they never try. They worry about making mistakes, losing money, or not having enough time to learn. But you don't need to be a tech genius or risk your savings. In fact, many passive income streams require little to no technical knowledge and can be started with just a small commitment. The real barrier isn't your skill level or the amount of money you have, it's simply having the right information and the willingness to take that first step. Today's passive income methods are simple, low risk, and designed for beginners. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, just follow proven strategies that work. You can start with just a little time each day, fitting it around your current job or studies. Even dedicating 15 to 30 minutes can make a real difference over time. This guide will show you a proven, straightforward path to your own passive income stream. We'll break down each step so you never feel lost or overwhelmed. Forget the myths about hard work and long hours. This is about working smarter, not harder. You'll learn how to set up systems that work for you, even when you're not actively involved. The dream is closer than you think. All you need is the right first step. Let's get started and unlock the potential of passive income together. Imagine carving out just 30 minutes a day, half an hour that could completely change your financial future. It might sound too simple, but this small daily commitment is all it takes to start building a real income stream from scratch. Can such a short burst of effort really make a difference? Absolutely. The key isn't about grinding for hours or sacrificing your free time. It's about being intentional, focused, and consistent with the time you do have. The secret isn't working harder but working smarter, using proven strategies and tools that maximize your results in minimal time. By focusing on simple, repeatable actions that actually move the needle, you'll see progress faster than you think. Each small step adds up, and before long, you'll notice real results. You don't need to be a content creator, show your face on camera, or invent the next big thing. There's no need to become an influencer or build a personal brand if that's not your style. The hard work, the product creation, the expertise, the marketing has already been handled by professionals. You get to leverage their experience and success. Your role is simple. Connect people who need solutions with the experts who provide them. You're the bridge, making valuable introductions that benefit everyone. Think of yourself as a concert promoter, someone who brings people together for an experience they'll love. You don't have to play the music or be the star of the show. Your job is simply to share the event, spread the word, and help people discover something valuable. You're pointing people to high-value opportunities, resources, events, or products that are genuinely helpful and often free to access. It's like inviting friends to a free event they already want to attend. There's no hard sell, just sharing something you know they'll appreciate. This small daily effort builds momentum and income over time. Consistency beats intensity. Showing up every day, even for a short while, is what creates lasting results. 30 focused minutes a day is enough to make steady progress no matter how busy your schedule is. You can fit this into your lunch break, your daily commute, or those quiet moments in the evening. It's flexible, adaptable, and designed to work around your life, not the other way around. Whether you're a busy parent, a full-time professional, or someone juggling multiple responsibilities, this approach is made for you. There's no need to quit your job, overhaul your schedule, or take big risks. You can start small and grow at your own pace. Just show up daily, share what you find valuable, and let the process work for you. Over time, you'll see your results grow, slowly at first, then faster as your efforts compound. This is how real people, just like you, are making passive income a reality, one simple step at a time. Your journey can start today. Most people fail online because they hate selling. It feels pushy and awkward. Our method is different. It's about sharing, not selling. You're not asking for money, you're offering a free, valuable workshop from a trusted expert. The workshop solves real problems, and is packed with useful information. When you share the link, you're being a helpful friend, not a salesperson. This shift removes pressure and makes the process feel natural. You're connecting people to resources that can change their lives. The expert's trust rubs off on you, making your recommendations more powerful. Think of it like recommending a great movie. You're just sharing something valuable. This approach is ethical, positive, and effective for anyone. You don't need sales skills, just a willingness to help. Sharing builds trust and long-term success. That's the foundation of this entire system. Your first step is simple and free. Sign up for the affiliate program. This partnership gives you a unique link to promote the free workshop. The process is quick. Just fill out a basic form, no fees or background checks. Marketers want you to succeed, because your success is their success. Once approved, you get access to your affiliate dashboard and your unique link. This link tracks everyone you refer, so you get credit for every sign-up. Save your link somewhere safe. It's the key to your income stream. You don't need to understand the tech. Just know this link is your bridge to earnings. Every time you share it, you plant a seed for future income. Getting your link is the official start of your passive income journey. Once you have your unique link, your main mission is to get it in front of the right people, those who would truly benefit from the workshop. Think of your link as a key that unlocks valuable knowledge for others. The more people you reach, the greater your impact and potential rewards. Start by identifying online communities where your target audience spends their time. This could be Facebook groups focused on personal growth, online forums about side hustles, or even Pinterest boards dedicated to earning extra income. These spaces are filled with people actively looking for solutions, just like the one you're offering. Don't just drop your link and leave. Instead, join conversations, answer questions, and share your experiences. When you offer your link as a genuine resource, people are much more likely to trust you and check it out. Remember, authenticity goes a long way online. For example, if someone asks about ways to make money online, reply with a helpful tip from your own journey and include your link as a suggestion. This approach feels personal and supportive, not pushy or salesy. Be intentional about where and how you share. Instead of posting everywhere, focus on a few places where your message will resonate most. Quality always beats quantity when it comes to building trust and credibility. Make it a habit. Set aside 30 minutes each day to find new conversations, answer questions, and connect with people who might benefit from your link. Consistency is what turns small daily actions into big results over time. As you keep showing up and sharing value, you'll notice more people clicking your link, asking questions, and even sharing it with their friends. Your efforts will start to snowball, creating momentum that grows on its own. Don't forget about visual platforms like Pinterest or Instagram. Create eye-catching graphics with a clear, catchy headline in your link. These visuals can keep working for you long after you post them, reaching new people every day. This set-it-and-forget-it strategy means your link can keep attracting clicks and signups even while you're busy with other things or just relaxing at home. You don't need to be a marketing expert or have a huge following. Just focus on being genuine, helpful, and present in the right places. People appreciate real advice and support. By sharing your link with care and consistency, you'll build real lasting results and help others discover something valuable along the way. Here's where it gets exciting. After sharing your link, your work is done. The expert takes over, delivering the workshop and making any sales. When someone you referred buys the paid program, you earn a commission, automatically. No need to handle payments or customer service, the system tracks everything for you. You can check your affiliate dashboard anytime to see clicks, signups, and earnings. This is true passive income. You earn while you sleep. Small, consistent actions add up to real money over time. It's rewarding to see your efforts pay off with every commission. That's the power of a leverage system. Old school methods like dropshipping or Amazon FBA are risky, expensive, and complex for beginners. Dropshipping means finding products, building stores, running ads, and handling customer issues. Amazon FBA requires big upfront investments, inventory management, and constant competition. Both demand time, money, and lots of stress. In contrast, sharing a free workshop is low risk and beginner-friendly. No inventory, no ads, no customer headaches, just 30 minutes a day. If it doesn't work, you've only lost a little time, not money. All the technical work is handled by the expert system. Your only job? Share your link and help people. It's the simplest, safest way to start earning online. Ready to start? Here are a few tips for success. Choose a marketer you trust, watch their workshop, and make sure it's valuable. Promote only what you believe in. Authenticity makes your efforts more effective. Be patient and consistent. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Commit to your daily 30 minutes, even if results are slow at first. Focus on providing value. Join conversations, answer questions, and share your link as a helpful resource. Avoid spamming. Context matters. Become a valued member of your communities, not just a promoter. Keep a simple log of where you share your link to stay organized and motivated. Track what works and do more of it. Small, steady habits build long-term success. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. These basics will set you up for real results. You now have a complete, simple blueprint for starting your passive income journey. This isn't a fantasy, it's a real, achievable goal for anyone. You don't need special skills or a big investment, just 30 minutes a day and a willingness to start. The power of this method is in its simplicity and trust. You're helping people by sharing a valuable, free resource. The only difference between dreamers and doers is action. Take the first step. Find a trusted marketer, sign up for their affiliate program, and get your unique link. Don't let this be just another idea. Let it be your turning point. The opportunity is right in front of you, low risk and ready to fit your life. Your journey starts now. Take that first step.